Hey guys, so we're still working with solving logarithmic equations. So for this one, it's kind of like the other one, except um, there's an equal sign between the logs. So let's rewrite. I still want to keep all the logs on the same side together, so I'm going to go ahead and just subtract the log base 2 of 4 minus x on both sides. Right? So then once I have that, I would have, oh wow, that is terrible writing. Oh my gosh. Try it again. We're going to have log base 2 of x squared minus 4x minus log base 2 of 4 minus x is going to equal a 5. Now, since we're subtracting two logs using the quotient property, I can go ahead and divide the values inside the logs. So I can condense this into a single log and have it become log base 2 of x squared minus 4x over 4 minus x should equal 5. So just like last time, we have log base of a value equals an exponent. We can choose to rewrite this in exponential form since we're trying to figure out the exponent, or we can do the inverse operation to the log, which is an exponential equation. So I'm going to raise both sides, like have this, the black part, be the exponents. I'm going to raise the 2. And the reason I do that is because 2 log base 2 inverse operations, they cancel out. So the only thing that's left on that side is the x squared minus 4x over 4 minus x. And that should equal 2 to the 5th, which is known as 32. So then from there, we still need to finish solving it. So rewriting this, I can think about this as x squared minus 4x equals 32 times a 4 minus x. So you get x squared minus 4x equals 32 times 4. 32 times 4. That is 128 minus 32x. Oops. X. So I'm going to erase some of this part because I need more room. All right, I'm going to keep the original problem because you want to keep in mind where we were when we started, since we may need to check for some extraneous solutions still. All right. Here we go. So because we have a quadratic, we're going to say that, and I'm going to change colors so it's not too confusing. We really have x squared minus 36x minus 128 would equal 0. Except that's a typo because this should be, a positive 28 because you need to add 32x to both sides. So that's what you have. So because I'm such a big nerd, I can actually factor this real quick. X plus 32 multiplying by an x minus 4 should equal 0. Whoa. Should equal 0. Should equal 0. There we go. Which means that x should be negative 32 and x should be a 4. So remember, when you're solving these, you want to make sure that when you plug your answers in, it is not extraneous, aka the input, your domain, the input of the log should be something positive. And believe it or not, in this instance, That's your answer.